Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 7th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis, make sure to check out the video on the pound dollar I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we had another nice push up on the dollar pairs. It's looking more and more convincing that this really is a wave three and that this is most likely not an ABC correction. Now we do have to make it through tomorrow's non-farm payroll for the US dollar news. And if it does end up bouncing off like the third 123 at a 138 level, I mean, it like something like this, it definitely could still be a wave C. But to me, looking across the board at all the dollar pairs, it's definitely looking more like a 123. And I think our target should actually be all the way up at the 161.8 to end this wave three. So taking a look at it on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we had another very nice ABC correction this today, another nice impulsive move up. I mean, this move still doesn't even look like it's over. It might actually drift up it some more to the 123.6. Now, I definitely wouldn't try to go long now, but if it does make a pullback into tomorrow's news, I would definitely go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. I think that 161.8 is very likely. Most likely this is a wave three, but if tomorrow's news actually causes something like this with a big break of structure to the downside, nice impulsive move down, really can't rule out the possibility that it is a wave C. But for now, I would definitely continue to look for longs, and then till the news proves otherwise or the market proves otherwise, I'm looking at this as a big wave three. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.